Abebembezi nibagira ngu okushandara kw'amaizi okuruga omu mugyera gwa Semuliki kiteganise emiturire y'abatuura banyuma y'okucekyereza emisiri n'okuteganisa eby'entambura.
Now we think we should have an engagement, a high level engagement, because us here in Ndoroko district, okay, as a district local government, we are at implementation level.
We want to go to the Prime Minister with a proposal on the land. And then if that's step, at least, whether she's the one commissioning a study, a comprehensive study, because in military one day we shall order people out of those areas.
Ebi bigambirwa omu rukiiko rubeire aha mbuga nkuru za disitulikiti ya Ntoroko orubeire rugendereire okureeba oku kushandara kw'amaizi oku kushemereire kurwanisibwa. Ebi nibiijaho bwanyuma y'akaire kakye gavumenti okurabira omu ofiisi y'enganzi y'eihanga kureeta obuhwezi bw'ebyokurya omu disitulikiti egi okuhwera abateganisibwe okuboga kw'omugyera Semuliki.
Though not adequate, partners have come in, but all these are just painkillers. Can we discuss a comprehensive, sustainable way of managing this situation? For us here at the district, we don't make policy.
Anna Mary Tumwine omunyeshengyero kazahabwa disitulikiti ya Ntoroko nagira ngu akanuko kiire gavumenti kuhwera abatuura.
When I joined Parliament in 2017, I interacted with the State Minister for Water and Environment. By then, Honorable Chitutu, he said they had a plan. They did a survey, but it was very expensive. It required to work on the banks of River Semuliki. But I think they should retrieve in the archives that research, and the government should do something.
Edison Rugumayo omunyeshengyero w'eminyetahabwa burengero izooba yanjwire entebe y'ekanisa za gavumenti okumaraho emyegemure omu disitulikiti nka Ntoroko, Bundu Bugyo hamwe na Kasese.
We already know that there is a park here which is possible to transit. Now, the piloted solution of
The Semuliki embankment.
That is what I also want
to prevent flash floods.
I want from here, I want to move, start from the ferry and move upstream and get to identify and see what is the size of this problem that we are looking at.
Where the hotspots are.
Gashaka Jonathan Singwire.